Okay, let's start. How to create the EC2 instance. Okay, go to instances. Launch instances. Give me some name that EC2 version 1. Choose immersion Linux. Key pair. Create new key pair. EC2 create key pair. And that create key pair we need to store in separate folder, okay, for future use for connecting the instance. Create security group. Allow SSH traffic from anywhere. That's okay. T3.micro is the storage source. Okay. And launch instance. Please wait some time. Yes, instance is created. Running. Okay. So this sections you are learning how to create the instance. Next sections we will discuss how to deploy the Spring Boot applications in EC2 instance. Okay, thanks for watching.